Hey guys, Alon here and welcome back to another video. So this is a quick video on how to install iOS 15 on your iPhone. So let's get started. Go on Safari and here search betaprofile.com. On the website and under iOS 15 tap on install and here click on install anyways. You'll get a pop-up. So just tap allow and close. Now move on to your settings, tap on profile downloads and tap on install. So enter your passcode and hit install. Now you'll have to restart your phone. So simply just tap on restart and wait for the device to reboot. Now go to your settings and software update and here you'll get iOS 15 beta to download and install. So tap on download and enter your passcode and wait for it to get downloaded and installed. So in this process your device will get a progress bar just like this. So installing the new wallpaper and you're done. I don't recommend anyone installing this on your primary device as it has a lot of bugs and crashes. So if you have any questions, just write them down in the comment section and hit the subscribe button. That will really mean a lot and every subscriber we get really does count. So with that being said, see you guys in the next one. Bye. Wait, we managed to do it. Actually we made it. We just crossed 1000 subscribers. I would like to thank each and everyone who subscribed to my channel. I really don't know actually why I subscribed to see my boring videos. Anyways, I'll try to make more better videos. And once again, thanks guys. Thank you so much.